My name is Nihal. I'm studying third class. I'm made a model of means of communication. These are different ways of communication channels. This is fax machine invented in 1843. This is a telephone invented in 1876. This is letterbox. This is postcard invented in 1861. This is period carried. This is used in early history. This is walkie-talkie invented in 1937. This is satellite invented in 1957. This is radio invented in 1895. This is laptop invented in 1981. This is mobile phone invented in 1973. This is television invented in 1927. This is social media or internet. This is newspaper invented in 1690. These are all some communication systems. Thank you.